Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Robinhood for stock trading, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Robinhood for stock trading, once installed, open the app to begin the registration process. Tap the sign up button on the welcome screen to proceed. Enter your email address and create a strong password. After that, tap continue to move to the next step. You will be prompted to enter your phone number for verification. Choose whether you want to receive a verification code via text or call. Once you receive the code, enter it into the designated field. Next, provide your full name, date of birth, and social security number for identity verification. You will also need to provide your residential address. The app will ask you about your employment status and financial background. Answer the questions regarding your income and investment experience. After completing this form, review your information to ensure everything is accurate. When you're ready, tap Submit to send your application for review. Robinhood will verify your information, which may take a few moments. Once approved, you will receive a notification to set up your account. Log into your account using your email and password. You may be prompted to link a bank account for funding your trading account. Select your bank and follow the instructions to complete the linking process. Once your bank account is linked, you can make your first deposit. After funding your account, you're ready to start trading. Explore the app to discover stocks and investment options available to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.